Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes without a dedicated app on the POCO M8. So let's say you have a QR code somewhere that you want to scan, but you're not sure how without downloading a third-party app. And the process is incredibly simple. This phone and many other phones have the QR code scanning feature built into the camera. So all we need to do is just open up the photo app and point it at our QR code. Just like that, a little icon pops up on the bottom left. We tap on it and it takes us where the QR code is usually going to take us. So there we go, I scanned it, and it's asking if we want to just copy the link or open it in the browser. I'm going to open it, and as you can see, it immediately takes us to the website. So there we go. That is pretty much how you use the QR code feature. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.